Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the market's opened sharply lower today as turmoil around President Trump has increased. Of course, this is because reports of a leaked memo by former FBI Chief James Comey spooked traders and is raising questions about whether or not President Trump tried to interfere with federal investigation, which is only adding fire to the news that Trump disclosed classified information to Russia's foreign minister about a planned Islamic State operation. And as you can see, we're starting out in my portfolio view here, and I'll turn on my writing tool here. And as you can see, it's highlighted by the yellow boxes around the trade triangles that the S&P 500 right here and the Dow right here have both issued new red weekly trade triangles indicating a exit from a long position to a sidelines position for the Dow and the S&P 500. With that, we'll clear the screen here. We'll go to the S&P 500 and see where the market's standing, give you some key levels to watch now that we've had that. As you can see, we have that new red weekly trade triangle here at 2,369.19, indicating a move to a sidelines position out of a long position. Chart analysis score is currently negative 70 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the S&P 500 will be 2,403.87. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position. Dow Jones, red weekly trade triangle at 20,723.59. Currently trading 20,721, down about 1.2% for the day, with a chart analysis score negative 70 with a green monthly, and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. Key level to watch for the Dow will be $21,070.90. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position. NASDAQ currently down about 1.65% today. Currently trading at 6,065.42 with chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that the long-term trend is still up but is weakening. Key level to watch for the NASDAQ today and the rest of the week will be 5,970.25. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar indexes seem to have fallen off a cliff here the last 3 days, currently trading at 97.52 with a chart analysis score negative 100 with red trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch for the dollar index would be 99.76. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the dollar. And of course, with the dollar dropping, gold is off to the races today, up 1.6%. Currently trading at 1,257.40 with a chart analysis score plus 75 with a green monthly, red weekly, and a green daily trade triangle. Key level to watch for gold today and probably the rest of the week will be 1,280. A move above that level would flip the weekly trade triangle from red to green, indicating a long position for gold. Crude oil currently trading at 49.17, up almost 1% for the day. Chart analysis score still a negative 55 with mixed results on the trade triangles with a red monthly and weekly trade triangle and a green daily trade triangle. Key level to watch for oil will be $50.22. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a long position for crude oil. And we'll go over and just wrap it up at Alibaba here, coming under some pressure today as the markets are down overall in general. Chart analysis score is still plus 90, currently trading at 122.18. Of course, we have earnings that they're going to report before the market open tomorrow. And the expected EPS is 66 cents. However, the word on the street, or the so-called whisper number, is 76 cents EPS. So looking for big things from Alibaba in the early hours before trading tomorrow. I believe 6:30 a.m. is when they will report. So we'll be keeping an eye level on that. Of course, we have our stop set. We'll go to a weekly chart here. I still have my stop set at the 116 level. Trade triangles are looking to trigger a red weekly trade triangle around the 114.02 level. So it'll be interesting to see what we looked at, but you can still see here quite a run up to earnings, and it's expected that they will beat earnings tomorrow. So we'll have to see what happens in the early morning hours. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I will talk to you in a few days.